Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to iron Perler beads. This is such a fun, quiet activity for young children that helps develop their fine motor skills and lets them explore shapes and colors. Perler beading is a great activity to try at home, during holidays or in a classroom. It keeps kids entertained and focused while they create their own colorful designs. Once your little one have finished their beading, it's time to iron it. You need some parchment paper. I like to cut mine into small pieces to use each time. Carefully place the parchment paper over the beads, making sure to cover them fully. Then, with a hot iron, press down gently for a few seconds, just until the beads start to fuse together. Be careful not to overheat. Once it's fused, remove the parchment paper and let it cool. And voila, you have a beautiful homemade beaded piece. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun craft ideas. Thanks for watching.